Where's Kira? Give Kira a hug. Give Kira a hug. Oh, Kira, give Noah a hug. Want to give Noah a hug? Oh, kiss. That's nice. Kira, give Noah a hug. No, Kira, give Noah a hug. You don't want to? No. Noah, give a kiss. Mwah. Ba, 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 ba. You crazy. Noah, say car. Up. Noah, gentle. Gentle. Noah, not too hard. Hi, Kira. No, it's Mommy's phone. No. No, Kira. Kira, come tell me what you can say. You want to say baby? Say bye-bye? Bye-bye? No, Kira, how do you daven? How do you light Shabbos candles? What do you do when you light your Shabbos candles, Kira? Show Mommy. You cover your eyes. Look. Show me. Yeah. Light your candles for Shabbos. Yeah. You're covering your face. You're saying your bracha. Yeah. You're reading, Noah? Oh, Kira, you getting a sitter? You gonna daven? You lighting your Shabbos candles? Yeah. Well, everybody's davening. Noah, why are you taking your diaper off? Noah, say mommy. You say mommy? Excuse you. What? Say up? Up. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.